Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in new CNC channel. Okay, continue with our learning about Visual Basic Programming. Now, I'm gonna show you how to using array in Visual Basic. First, like usually, I start with new project guys, and my project I will give the name is using array in Visual Basic. I want to check in Microsoft Developer Networks, and you can see here guys how to declare array variable. You can see, for example, Tim Kergowitz as double as start, and you can see advanced in Microsoft Developer Network. And here example of using array in Visual Basic Programming. And this is the elementary or the basic of how array works. And you can see if dim started bracket 6 as integer, actually here the value is, or the value is student is 7. You start with 0 index in here, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and totally is 7 item. Okay, now I'm gonna show you an okay using array in Visual Basic. Okay, I click OK guys, like this, and I want to show it a very simple example, so we can understand how the array works in Visual Basic especially. Okay, my form is loaded. Now I need two items, and like our example before, or our experiment before, I always use button, and the last one is combo box in here. Okay, for name I will stay default, it's button 1 and combo box 1, but the text of button I will change to make array like this, for example. Okay guys, make array. Okay, this item, the name is button 1, and this item is combo box 1. And then for more clearly, and I want to change the font of combo box to bold, and the item size is equal to 24, like this. Okay guys, now I double click in make array, and I want to check in Microsoft Developer Networks documentation, so you can also see how the array works, how to declare array. And I will using for this example for basic, so you can explore with yourself in your Visual Studio. Okay, for example, I will declare dim numbers in for item, start with 0 index, so I'm bracket 3 in here as string. So I will give the value of uh, number guys, and number 1 with index 0 is equal to, for example, ND, and number 2 with index 1 is equal to, for example, Kevin guys, Kevin. Number 2 is equal to Katie, for example. And the last is because I'm declare numbers in bracket 3, so the maximum numbers is allowed is 3 here, and I will give the name is, for example, Johnson, like this. Okay guys, and numbers is 3 here, but the item is 4 because uh, in here the array is start from 0 index. Okay, 0 1 2 3 like this. And I will for first I will clear the combo box. This clear function if we click more than one in button guys. So combo box 1 dot items, or like this, dot items dot clear, like this. Okay, and I will fill the combo box. Okay, for I or is integer equal to, because the start of index is 0, from here is 0 to I think this is number dot length, like this. And this in I will or I'm gonna show you how it works. Before I show string, I will show what actually be happen with this array. Before I show you to show the string for Andy, Kevin, Katie, and Johnson, I will show the number so you can more understand about array works. Combo box 1 dot add items dot add is equal to e. You can see here guys. And before I show you with the field Andy, Kevin, Katie, Johnson, I will show you with this code what actually happen if we are using array in here. And now I will click in make array button. What happened? You can see here 0 1 2 3 4. What actually happened? You can see here guys, actually happen is in this loop, in this for loop, you can see this number is 0, but we loop until numbers dot length. You can see here number dot length is 0 till 3, and then it given the 4 values. So this is not right or not right the value I will or I want. So I'm -1 for the right value, because 0 here I will create a logic in here. In loop here start, I will close first and I will show you how the logic, the loops it works. For e as integer is equal to 0, you can see guys the number is 0 until 3, and the value item is 4. So the 0 in here, and then until 4 will give the result is 0 to 4. But if I add the -1, so this is the right result. Make array and then 0 1 2 3 and match with the numbers array in here with 0 1 2 3 and so how it works and how to show Andy, Kevin, Katie, Johnson in here. I just to adding the numbers variable in here, numbers in here, and I add the bracket. So I will try to running this project again and show you how to showing Andy, Kevin, Katie, and Jason. I will click make array. You can see here Andy, Kevin, Katie, and Johnson. And how if the -1 I tell here, you can see this program will error, guys, because it will out of index range. Actually, we have 4 item, but in loop will show in 5 value. Okay, I will click make array and then the program is error because the value is not the same. And you can see in this statement, make sure that the maximum index on a list is less than the list size. Okay, so our loop is more than our array in here, or our variable array in here. So -1 is absolutely needed in here. And what the function of clear the combo box item, you can see if I comment this comment on statement, it will give the many. If I click one, you can see here Andy, Kevin, Katie, and Johnson. But if I click again without clearing, it will give me the double value in here. As I click again, it will give me many item with Andy, Kevin, Katie, and Johnson. So if you don't want to like this, so you need to clear the items in the even on click button. So that's all, guys, about how we can create uh, or using array in Visual Basic Programming. And in the next video I want to explain about parameters and function. So stay tuned with our channel or my channel, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.